because you're charged with the crime and I need to make sure that you are legally competent to proceed in this matter.
What is
And
what is the name of the crime?
I told you it's driving while license suspended, 3rd degree, and operating a vehicle without an ignition interlock device.
Is there any injured parties? Is there somebody willing to go on the stand and say that I actually committed a crime? Who
Well,
who who has a claim against me? Like that's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to settle the matter. I'm not arguing the facts.
mhm.
I'm just trying to take care of this and give
And
you
we
guys what you
cannot
want to give.
proceed while your ability to understand the nature of the charges and to assist your
I,
attorneys at issue, we cannot
we're
proceed. So
wasting
we're
time
in this
because I could
status,
just ask you. That's what I'm
and I'm
saying.
telling you right now. So the next hearing will be hopefully with a report in hand. You will have had your interview on April 24th at 9 a.m. Mr. Parent, you know where he would be going for that?
I'm not sure if it's going to be at the Shoreline Courthouse or down at our office in Kent, or possibly at the courthouse in Kent. Kind of depends on where he lives.
You have good contact with Mr. Richard?
Yeah, we have a good phone number for him.
Okay.
So we will be able to keep in touch with him.
Okay, so Mr. Richard, they're going to meet with you on the 24th. And
How?
would it take about a week or two, Mr. Parent?
Are
Do you
they
think
gonna
you can report
come
back?
meet us somewhere or something? Like what are they about to do?
Let's have him return on May 6th.
Well, like I said, you don't have my
Actually,
consent
May
to send
1.
me to
Let's
a
do May
doctor.
1.
So I don't know why you think I have to go see a doctor when I could just ask you all the questions that's stopping us from going forward. I told you I'm trying to settle the matter. I don't know what's going on.
Right. We keep trying to explain that to you, Mr. Richard. The reason is you're going to have to talk to these doctors and we'll get some additional information.
All right,
So
cool.
your
Okay,
next
well,
hearing will be on May 1st.
has there been a guilty plea that has been put into record?
No, we can't do that because we have to determine whether or not you're able to proceed in this case.
So there is no plea that's been put in filed,
There's a plea of not guilty that's been entered.
and who put that in?
You had a first appearance and you are unable to plead guilty. So a not guilty plea has been entered on your behalf and we are waiting to have the doctors talk to you. And
How
this has
can
been going
somebody-
on for quite some time, Mr. Richard.
How can somebody put a plea in for me? That makes no sense. Doesn't the attorney have to do what I ask them to do, or they're acting in dishonor if
Well,
they don't do what I tell them to do?
All of this confusion that's going on right now is many examples of why we need this evaluation to take place. So
No,
I
how?
need you, we're going to
Because I
end
have
your
questions
hearing,
for the judge?
Mr. Richard.
Mr. Richard is completely out of touch with reality. Like, we're talking orbiting Earth levels of delusion. He refuses to turn on his camera and treats court like it's some optional FaceTime call. That's just wild. Honestly, the judge is being way too patient. I get letting him show how foolish he is, but come on, court isn't a game. It's not peekaboo. The judge has every right to demand he follow basic rules, like showing his face. Part of me just wishes she would shut it down and say, "Sir, this is not a debate club." Or even better, hit him with contempt of court so he realizes his little "I don't recognize your authority" act has zero weight. But instead, she's handling him like his fragile glass. Maybe I'm being too harsh though. What do you guys think? Let's dive back in and see how it ends.
I'm incompetent. Like why can't I get the answers from you? Do you not know your own laws?
I cannot go forward until I get a report from the doctors.
And why is there a doctor that needs to be involved in this? This is what do you say, a traffic matter?
Okay, I'm going to conclude this hearing. I believe that we need a report from the doctors based upon your answers, and this has been going on for
I just
quite some
told you, like,
time.
I'm not denying any of the facts. So why do we need to see a doctor? Can I just pay for can I just settle the fines that you have in this case?
a
Can I
criminal
just do that
charge
and
with
get control
jail.
of it? Huh?
All right, so
What'd you say?
it's a criminal charge with jail. It's not just paying a fine, Mr. Richard. So we are going to set this over. May 1st will be the next date you come back to court. And I will ask that you follow through and attend that evaluation on April 24th.
You just
And
told me
that
this was
Mr.
criminal,
Parent
right?
is going to make sure you know where you need to go.
But you just told me this was criminal, right? So why can't I just settle the fines?
Because criminal is not about fines, it's about jail time as well. So
And
that's-
why does somebody get jail time for something that they never had? I've never had a driver's license.
Mhm. Okay, so we are done with your case today, Mr. Richard. Thank you. We'll get that date out to you.
Well, you don't have my consent, so like I said, I don't know what you think I'm.
All right.